morning sun. It's about 7. It's just before 8. Kayak outside in the drive, waiting to be taken out on a paddle excursion. Yeah, it's a dog barking outside. So I may have discovered a new feature, and I'm going to sit back in this chair and see if I can't trigger it again. There was like a, yeah, there it is, a zoom wheel on this. Wow, look at that. It's different than the pinch and squeeze scenario. It's quite nice. I'll go to the preset 2.5, and that's the pump in the basement going on. We had so much rain the last 2 days and nights that basement pump has just been chugging right along. That's Sparky with the yellow face, and the white face is Snowball. The greens in both boxes are some sunflower sprouts growing up. They don't last very long because they get mowed down by the little defoliators over there. And so when they're finished with like a bowl of bird seed, bird food, it's really mostly finished, but it's mostly been hulled. It's a lot of empty shells. And grass seeds and stuff, and so I dump it into these 2 boxes. I spread it out, and I occasionally water the soil in there, and so these are bird seeds that have sprouted up as a result, and they like to nibble on the grass. Not much. These are seed eaters. See, there's a, under his butt right there, under his tail feathers, that's a sunflower sprout. But they're seed eaters, and these 2 don't have too much, they don't really go for sunflower seeds. Apparently they like the curtains. Yeah. Oh,